Number 1. Copy your kitty. Learn to do stretching exercises when you wake up. It boosts circulation and digestion and eases back pain. Number 2. Don't skip your breakfast. Studies show that eating a proper breakfast is the most positive things you can do if you're trying to lose weight. Breakfast skippers tend to gain weight. A balanced breakfast includes fresh fruit or fresh juice, a high fiber breakfast cereal, low fat milk or a whole wheat toast, and a boiled egg. Number 3. Brush up hygiene. Many people don't know how to brush their teeth properly. Improper brushing can cause as much as damage to teeth and as well as for gums for not brushing at all. Lots of people don't brush for long enough, don't floss, and don't see a dentist regularly. So hold your toothbrush in the same way that you would hold a pencil and brush for at least 2 minutes. This includes brushing the teeth, the junction of the teeth and gums, the tongue and the roots of the mouth. And you don't need a fancy angled toothbrush, just a sturdy, soft bristled one that you replace each month. Number 4. Eat your stress away. Prevent low blood sugar as it stresses you out. Eat regular and small healthy meals and keep fruits and veggies handy. Herbal teas also gently calm your frazzled nerves. Eating unrefined carbohydrates, nuts and bananas boosts the formation of serotonin. Small amounts of protein containing the amino acid tryptamine can give you a boost when stress dries you out. Number 5. Pure water. Don't have soft drinks or energy drinks while you're exercising. Stay properly hydrated by drinking enough water during your workouts. Just don't overdo things, as drinking too much water can also be dangerous. Number 6. Your dirtiest foot forward. If your ankles, knees and hips ache from running off pavement, head for the dirt. Soft trails or graded roads are a lot easier on your joints than the hard stuff. Also, dirt surfaces tend to be uneven, forcing you to slow down a bit and focus on where to put your feet great for agility and concentration. Number 7. Deep heat. Sun rays can burn even through thick glass and underwater. Up to 35% of ultraviolet beta rays and 85% of ultraviolet alpha rays penetrate thick glass, while 50% of ultraviolet beta rays and 75% of ultraviolet alpha rays penetrate a meter of water and wet cotton clothing, which means you'll need sunscreen while driving your car on holiday and water resistant block if you're swimming. If you think this video has helped you, please do like and share. For more videos, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.